Oh no! Help me! Help me! Huh? Oh no!
What is happening here? I came back the same.
What are you doing?
Unless you're gonna drive 300 miles to your mother's place? I would register to my mother's. Oh, come on. Oh, my.
Stop!
Huh?
Now, what should I do?
I have to save you.
Oh, no, here's Kitty.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Help me out.
What is happening here?
Let's go, guys. Ho, ho, ho.
Huh?
Let's troll the policeman.
Okay.
But what should we do to steal the car? Have interesting ideas.
Aha!
Hey, wake up!
Ow!
Ah!
What is happening here?
Help me!
Okay.
I'll help you.
What is happening here?
Aha!
Amazing!
Aha!
Let's destroy the city.
What should I do?
Oh no!
Can somebody help me?
Okay.
Go, go, go!
I came back the same.
Oh no!
Oh my God!
Oh, no, here's Kitty.
Oh my God, nobody cares.
Stop! Aha! Stop!
Let's go, guys.
Oh no! Help me!
Let's destroy the city.
Help me! Help me, for God!
A car registered to you has accumulated 18 unpaid parking violations.
Okay.
Help me!
Okay.
Let's go, guys.
Go, go, go! Oh no! Oh no!
Let's destroy the city.
Take the dragon to the whole policeman.
Why me?
Help me! Help me!
You stop with the odds?
No, here's Kitty.
Let's go, guys!
Help me! Help me!
Sorry!
I will come back to see.
Help me! Please help me save your car.
Okay.
I will be there to help you.
Let's go, guys!
Go, go, go!
Hey!
Please help me save her. Huh? Okay, we will help her get to the bridge. Help me!
Let's go!
I don't like turning it into this.
Thank you.
Excuse me, would you help me, please?
Okay.
I will come back to see. I will contact all the sand here.
Yay!
Amazing.
Red. You look so beautiful.
Purple.
I will contact all the sand here.
Green. Yellow. Let me help you.
Oh, come on, Dad. I can do this myself. Devastated? Perhaps, but not defeated. Amazing!
Let's destroy the city.
Ha ha!
Come on, let's go!
Yahoo! Bye-bye!
I will contact all the sand here. I came back the same.
Yahoo!
Help me!
Help me! Oh my God! Oh no!
Help me! Help me!
Huh? Oh my God!
I have to save you.
Help me out!
I have to save you.
Let's go, guys!
I have an idea!
Okay.
Ah!
We should use another method.
I have an idea.
It's amazing that the car is absorbing water in the lake.
Wow.
This is the guy in the red car. I pulled him up.
Thank you.
Ha ha!
Oh, thank you.
Help me out.
Let's destroy the city.
I came back the same.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
But first, who wants to give me a sponge bath? I'm filthy.
Amazing! Okay, now, don't move. Oh, yeah! Come on, let's go! Woohoo! Hey, we're going the wrong way!